in this video, I'm going to be showing you some Raid Shadow Legends promo codes that you can use right now in 2025. This is going to supply you with free gems, free shards, you can get free energy, free silver, tons of different free gifts, guys, using a simple Raid of Shadow Legends promo code. And these are by far the best codes, guys. I spent hours searching YouTube and Google trying to find some Raid Shadow Legends promo codes worth using and that actually give you a meaningful amount. These are working in April 2025, and yeah, these are so much, the codes that I'm going to show you are so much better than all of these ones that you usually can find on Google. So yeah, make sure you follow these steps and instructions, guys. You've got to use a mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone. It doesn't matter which phone you have. You of course need an internet connection. Oops, my battery's almost gone, but yeah, you need an internet connection, and you've got to go to the following website, Robot Coupons, guys, Robot Coupons. Make sure you spell it correctly. I'm trying to type looking through the camera, and it's a little bit difficult, as you can tell. Come on, press the S. Sorry, guys, robotcoupons.com. So, type it like this, guys. To go to this website. This website has tons of different promo codes for mobile games and video games and shopping websites. So you can scroll down and try and find it, or you can go to the search bar here and just search for Raid Shadow Legends. Here we go. So you're looking for the promo codes page, and as I mentioned, there is a few different options that you can choose from here. You can get 25,000 free gems. You can get free shards, you can get free energy, silver, and more in Raid Shadow Legends, and you can unlock all champions. So essentially, guys, you need to select the code that you want. So in this case, what one do I want to choose? I'm going to go for the free energy, silver, and more. This basically gives you a ton of resources. So click on show code, and because these codes are limited, you can see there is a number here flashing. These codes are limited, and they're pretty valuable considering the price of gems, shards, and stuff. So you need to unlock your personal Raid Shadow Legends promo code. It takes a few minutes, guys. So this takes only a few seconds to load up, but you are going to see a new screen once it does that. I'm going to cancel. I've already done this. I don't want to waste a code, but you're going to see a new page and it's going to tell you how to unlock your promo code. It will take a few minutes. I personally had to complete a couple of free tasks. Can be annoying, but it does only take about 5 minutes. It's completely free. I had to download a mobile game and play it, and then I also had to complete a free survey. And once I did that, guys, it will reveal. So it gave me my full code. If you do everything correctly, it will give you your full code. You can redeem it in Raid Shadow Legends, and that is the best promo codes working in 2025. So, as I showed you guys, you can get tons of free stuff here. Absolutely awesome. Just make sure you do unlock your code. Head on over to Robot Coupons, find the Raid Shadow Legends codes page, select your code, and yeah, fully unlock it, guys. And these are the best codes available in 2025. So enjoy. Smash the like button, subscribe for more videos much like this one. And I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys. Peace out.